Hello student, tomorrow I am going to discuss about log-based chain theorem, Today let us solve some questions here. We'll do few more properties and problems tomorrow. Let us discuss these questions if you have any doubt. And this question we'll do tomorrow because there is another property we have involved with another property. This property I will explain tomorrow. So that time I will explain how to solve this. It's an easy question. Let's see this question. Log 1728 with the base 2 root 3. How to solve this question? What is the answer for this? Simple way is what to do here. There are two methods. You can go this by exponential formula. What I do here, 2 root 3 is equal to x. You can take an exponential formula. Or you can now with the properties you know. Now what you do here, 1728. I just take 1728 is the LCM. So let us go for two tables. 2 8s are 16. Right here. 1 2 2 6 are 12. And 2 4s are 8. Right. This is 864 times. 2 table. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are. Okay. 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are. 2 6 are. Okay. Then 2 table. 2 1s are. 2 0. 108 times. 2 54 times. Okay. 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 1 7. Okay. 3 table. I'm getting it. 3 table 9 times. 3 table 3 times. 3 table 1 time. So what I am getting here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right, 6. So I can write as log 2 power 6 into 3 power 3. This I can write as 3 power 3. And the base is 2 into the root 3. And let's keep as the root 3. Okay, no problem, no issue. Now what I see here, I just want to make this power into this base. That is the magic I am going to do it. You have a power 6, so I will write whole power. So I will write as this is all. See the magic of what I do here. 2 root 3 you have, and you have 2 power 6. So I will write as 2, okay, root 3 to the power of 6 I will write. Then what happens here? This I carry here, 2 power 6 I get. And this is root 3. You know as root 3 power 6 is how much? 3 power, this is 1 by 2. This is root 3 means 1 by 2 to the power of 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are cancelled. I get as 3 cubed. So I am getting the same again, 3 cubed. So now what I am getting here, the property I got log a power m with the base b is equal to m log a with the base b. So I get it as 6 log 2 root 3 with the base 2 root 3. And you know this is how much? 1. So the answer is 6 into 1, answer is 6. Likewise, you can do this one. Likewise, you can do that one. Well, let us go for the next question. So the next question, how to do is the same next question. Look at that. What I want to say is the first question I will teach you tomorrow. If you are able, you can do right today. Because I did not explain you base chain theorem. And after that, there is one more theorem is there. Okay, now I have to explain that to solve that question. So this one is homework. Let's see this question. What is the question here? Log. This is expressed in log. Okay, this is expressed in log. Log 2 log base 3 in flower bracket, okay, 1 plus log 2, here is 1 plus 3 log x with the base 3. Okay, this is all there in the log. This is a flower bracket used here. Fine. Okay, let's try this one. Okay. And whole you have the flower bracket. And this totally. And the base is 4. This value is given 1 by 2. this goes there, right? I am writing this way. As this one, this logarithm, I am explaining, converting into exponential formula. So what I get this one is 2 into log 1 plus 3 log x with the base 3 with the base 2. Okay, alright. So I like this. This maybe you feel uncomfortable with this practice. So with 3, so this total I am sending that side. What I am going to get here, I am going to get this one. See here. Okay, this bracket is there. Looking at this bracket, and I am sending this one into log this one I am sending this total thing, I am converting into exponential formula. So this I get 4 power 1 by 2 is equal to this I get. I just tell you simply, whenever you have log a with the base b is equal to k, I write b power k is equal to a, correct? Exponential formula. Same I wrote a is equal to b power k. I wrote the same thing. These both are same. Just I wrote that way. Exponential formula. So what I get here, root 4 value is how much? 2. And what you have here? 2. This 2, this one cancel one time. Now what I am getting here, I got here log 1 plus log of 1 plus 3 log x with the base 3. Oh sorry, with base 2 you have this one. The whole thing now it is converted into 1, single one with the base 3. Now just again apply the logarithm property, that is property, that what I want to say is exponential formula. Apply again exponential formula, what I am going to get this one. So if I apply again exponential formula to this one, what I will get here? 3 power 1, that is 3. So I get as 1 plus log 1 plus 3 log x with the base 3 with base this one 2 is equal to, I will get 3. Okay, 3 power 1 is 3. Now I will send this 1 that side. See what I am doing here. I will send 1 that side. So what I am going to get here, this is implies 1 that side, 3 minus 1, 2. So what I am getting here, log 1 plus 3 log x with base 3, yeah, is that right? With the base 2 is equal to 3 minus 1, this is becomes 2. Okay, well, it becomes very simple. Now it's again logarithm form is there, I will convert into exponential form. So what I get here, 1 plus 3 log x with the base 3 is equal to 2 square, that is 4. So converted into logarithm form, hope you understand what I have done here. Let's see the next steps. It's the beauty of mathematics. 3 log x with base 3 is equal to 1 if you send that side, 4 minus 1. That is 3 log x with base 3 is equal to 3. I can cancel this is 1 time. So log x with base 3 is equal to 1. Convert into exponential form. So what is x is equal to here? 3 power 1 is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to 3. This is your answer. Hope you understand.